Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Shari, and in this channel I share art tutorials, my creative journey, and inspiration to help you grow as an artist. So I've been wanting to start an online shop for a while now, a place where I can sell my sticker sheets, coloring pages, and maybe other merch items. So after checking a bunch of other platforms, I decided to try Fourthwall. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I set up my shop, testing things out, and also how everything works. I've used a few print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, TeePublic, and Zazzle, but Fourthwall really caught my eye because it lets you open your own website, you can sell physical and digital products, you can sell memberships and get donations all in one place. With Fourthwall, you can connect your own domain, you can customize your storefront, and everything from printing, shipping, and customer service is handled for you. So, if you're someone like me who wants to focus on creating art instead of managing all the logistics, Fourth Wall is a great choice for you. The only thing is, Fourth Wall doesn't bring you traffic. You have to work on your SEO and also share your links through your social medias like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So, let's get into it. Creating an account is super straightforward. You can sign up with Google, Apple, or your email. Once you're signed up, you'll get access to the dashboard. Here you can create new products or even order samples of your own products for quality checks and promotion. By the way, if you're interested, you can use my referral link to get some sample credits. If you have social accounts like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you can also connect them here. For YouTube, you'll need at least 500 subscribers to link your store directly. Now, let's add the general information. Go to Settings, General, and update any details you need to change. From billing and payouts, you'll need to set up your payment method that will take you to Stripe to connect your bank account. You can also connect your own domain or just use the free Fourthwall subdomain. To add products, go to the Products section. Here you can see everything you've added. I've already uploaded a few, like this sticker sheet I designed. If you're interested, you can watch the full design process in the video linked up here. When creating a new product, you'll see three options. Design a new product, like on other print-on-demand sites, sell something you already have, like handmade items, or sell a digital product which is perfect for printable art or coloring pages. Let's start with a digital product. I'm going to add my coloring pages as digital downloads. So first, add the title, description, and category. I'll choose media for this one. Since I want this as a freebie, I'll set the price to 0. Fourthwall deducts a 3% fee from the price you choose. Now I'll upload the file and product image. You can make it unlimited or set a specific quantity if you want. Once it's ready, make it public and save it. To make more products, you can duplicate an existing one. Just click the three dots, choose duplicate, change the files or info and save. You can also organize products into collections. For example, I have one for stickers and one for coloring pages. To make a new collection, click Create New Collection, give it a name, and add your products. Let's move on to designing the website. Go to Site Design and choose a theme you like. You can preview themes in a new window and add the ones you want to use. After choosing a theme, it's time to customize it. I'm going to add my logo, change the fonts and colors, and add some info. To change fonts or colors, just go to the Style tab. I'm adjusting mine to match my brand colors and uploading my logo. You can add sections to your homepage like headers, collections, or even donation sections. Click Add Page section to add new ones. For example, I'm adding a new section for video and text to embed one of my YouTube videos. You can also delete any section you don't want. You can also create custom pages. So let's make an About page. I'll add a short bio and maybe a list of links to my socials. So far, I really like how beginner-friendly this platform is. You don't need to know any coding, and the whole design process is very simple and visual. If you're thinking about opening your own online shop, my link is down in the description below. Also, if you want to support my art, my shop link is down there too. Thank you very much for hanging out with me in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment below if you have any questions about Fourthwall. Bye for now.